Hello everyone, this is the first video in a series of videos that will help you create your photo story. Right now you're looking at the opening menu or the opening screen of the Photo Story program. If you're starting a new story, you're going to make sure that the Begin a New Story button is selected, and then you're going to click Next. Now the first step to this project is to just import your pictures into the Photo Story program. Prior to doing this, you need to have some pictures that you have saved and placed in a folder, probably on your H drive, or if you're bringing pictures from home to be used in a story that you're creating with pictures that you possibly took with a digital camera, you would have them on a flash drive ready to import. But all you have to do to begin is just click on the Import Pictures button. When you do that, you're going to have to go to and select the drive that you want. Like I said, most likely you'll be looking for your H drive. I have some pictures saved in under my pictures, and I have a folder here of animals, funny animal pictures. So those are the pictures I will use for this demonstration. All you have to do to import your pictures, double click the picture, and it goes into the Photo Story program. There it is, in two different views. I'm going to click Import Pictures again. Double click the next picture, and that picture is added. Import pictures again, find the next picture I want, double click it, and it's added. Very simple to import pictures into your project. Alright, now also I want to add just some colored slides for the purpose of writing on. You can write right on top of a picture, but sometimes it's hard to read. It's just easier. It looks neater if you write on top of a colored or plain background. So I'm going to import pictures again. I'm going to go to a different folder this time. I have a folder here called Backgrounds. I'm going to double click that, and I have just some colored backgrounds. Click the yellow. That's imported. We'll use a green. That's imported. We'll use a blue. Import it. Do another blue. We'll do another green, and we'll do another yellow. Now you notice I didn't put these in any particular order because you can always go back and change the order of your slides. I'm going to drag this yellow blank background to the front. I'm going to grab this green one and put that right there next to the yellow, and you'll see why I'm doing this later. That one's going to didn't go in the right place. I want that right in between those two pictures. Then I'll put the yellow one in between these two pictures, and then I'll put the green one in between those two pictures. So I have a little pattern. I have two backgrounds, a picture, a background, a picture, a background, a picture, and a background, a picture, and then I end with another background. Last thing you might want to do on this step of your project, there are some different buttons you can play around with here, but removing black borders on your pictures is a good idea. So I'm going to click on Remove Black Borders just to show you how that works. It's going to pull up your first picture, and you can see here's the picture, and it has these two black borders on either side, which kind of take away from the picture. So you can play with this window and move it around. It shows you over here what the picture is going to look like now that you've edited it. Yes, you lose part of the picture, but you get rid of the black borders, and the picture looks a little larger. It's I think it looks better this way than it did this way. Here's the before, and here's the after. So it says, do you want to use the picture shown in the after box in your story? If that's the way you want it, you would say yes. Now the next one's just going to pop up. Here's our little dog, and again, just look at the after shot. If it's better, keep it. If you need to move this around, then go ahead and do that. You can change the size however you want. But when this after picture looks good, just say yes. You just go through that and take care of that. Here, you know, the part of the cat's head is chopped off. I might want to just move it up a little bit. I'm going to say yes to that. And here's the monkey. This looks good, and yes. So that's all there is to the first step. It says Photo Story is completed removing black borders from all suitable pictures. So I'm just going to click OK. So again, that's the first step in creating your project. Make sure you have some pictures saved in a folder, and then import them into your story. Go ahead and take care of that, and when you're done, come back and watch segment 2, which will go on and talk about transitions and text and things like that. We'll see you next time. Bye.